Okay, in this video we will talk about this part of run the process nonstop on server environment. And for that, first we will need a server. I'm using a server from Time for VPS. This is a container VPS, which is a cheap one because we don't need an expensive one. It's really low on performances, but yeah, will do the job. And it's for me it costs €2 per month, something like that. So I created the server. You can check them timeforvps.com. I created the server. I installed Linux CentOS 64 bytes. And what I should do next is connect via SSH. Yep, and my username is root. And I hope copied the password before. So I'm logged in the server now. What I need to install is webmin, so I can upload files easier and things like that. So I'm following this guide, which I will provide a link. And know that you can run this in your SSH terminal. So I have one which is called VSSH, or on Windows you can use something like PuTTY or things like that. Then, following the video next, I will need to download and STM the PRM version of webmin. So I need to do this. After yum update is done. And this may take a while, so I will pause the video for now. After a few seconds, yum update did his job and everything was set up, although I don't know what was updated. So we will run the next command, which is this one, wget, and it starts downloading of webmin. I will pause the video once again. After the download, we should have the file there. Yeah, this is the file downloaded. With ls we can list all the files. So I'm able to move to the next command, and that's yum install all of this. And this will download the required package. I think it's OpenSSL, correct? We need to run this command now. And after that, we should start with installing webmin using the yum repository. We should edit this file now. After that's been done, we should have this. Although I don't know how this will work now. Hope paste from browser. Probably not. Let's go one by one. We had copied in single line, so I will remove all the ones again, and I will go one by one. Webmin, then a new line, then this one, then next one, and so on. So you can skip the video. Okay, I think that was it. So now go to exit. Command yes, do you want to modify the file? Yes, and yeah, we have done this step now. We should get some kind of PG keys. So I will do this. That's been done. Then run this. Done. Then install webmin. Is that okay? Yes. So I'll wait for the download. I'll pause the video. Probably it should be fast. So let's see. Next, we go to the next step, which is start the webmin enabled, system boot. After few, it was like a minute, I got this complete notification. Okay, so I should be working on the next command, which is service webmin start. And copy that and run it here. So the webmin will now start, and I also need to enable webmin to start when my server restarts. Okay, so I need to go in my service details. So I'm done here. I need to go in my service detail and see my IP address, which is this one, main IP, and it says to access it your IP address, then port 10,000. So I will do that, then port 10,000, and I should get the okay, so I need to be on SSL, and yeah, it automatically gives me the port 10,000, and it says login to webmin. So it's my host name, which is this one on HTTPS, and then port 10,000. And I'm able to log in with my admin and with my username as root and my password, which I will copy now. I have copied and pasted my password, and I'm able to log in my webmin where I have access to my configurations for my server. What I need the most is the file manager, from where I will upload the mobile app code. So that's why most of the time I will need this webmin. Thanks for watching this video, and to be simple, I will stop this video now, and I will add new videos on how we will upload the mobile app source code, install the node modules, install Expose CLI. So that will be in the next videos. If you're okay to this step, if you installed all the webmin things, I think you're in the good path, and the next thing should be easier. Thanks for watching.